If you don't feel up to creating a template from scratch, Proposify has a built-in gallery of designs to get you started. To browse those, select Templates from the sidebar and click on the Gallery tab. From here, you can sort through their selection by business type and click on Preview to take a look at what each template has. Once you've found a template you like, click Install Template, and it'll be added to the list of templates installed on your account. Built Creative also offers a variety of services to help you get a template set up in Proposify, including a library of beautiful, easy-to-edit designs. We can also help you customize one of our templates, recreate your current proposal in Proposify, or design you something totally new from scratch.